How to turn on backup using cellular on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on backup using cellular on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top and click settings and then just click this one, chats, chat backup, and here you will find it, backup using cellular. And then if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.